So here is the Logic Analyzer trigger level test, just to prove that the resistors and the trigger point and all that is made correctly. So this is a 1 kilohertz sine wave. The reason for this to be a sine wave is for the speed up capacitor to not have any effect on the trigger levels. So if we go into the digital and we see that we have a threshold. So we are using a custom logic level setting, and that means we have the ability to adjust the threshold ourselves, right? So of course when you have a sine and you change the trigger levels, you can see that the digital detector reads the pulse. So if we go down, so some of them are active, and that is 4.24 volts, and here is the top of the sine wave is 4.9, so that means we're triggering a little bit too low. That means we're getting a little bit less signal in, and that is because I'm using 100 kilo in parallel with the 8P2 capacitor, and it is the right resistor should have been 91K. So this is what I'm going to try and change now on one of the channels and see if this has the effect. And if we go down to the bottom, see, it is 200 millivolts. Yeah, about 200 millivolts. So again, I think this will be this is very, very close. I'm actually happy the way it is, but it's just for the technical level of this. So the correct trigger point, I really would like this to be 2.5 volts when I have a 5 volt and everything right, so that the curve is correct. All right.